YouTube, what's going on with you? This your boy Sean the Barber coming at you. And as you can see, I have the lovely Tune 45 Babeless Pro Clipper. A great collaboration. I did have to purchase this on the Black Friday. Man, every single channel I've been on, far as YouTube, far as Instagram, TikTok, everybody's been talking about this clipper. So I definitely had to go ahead, get in the bag, grab one of these, and definitely give my honest opinion on these clippers. And also, if you haven't yet, like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into this video. As you see here, I do have the charging pad here. Now, when I bought this on Black Friday, I thought I was just going to get the clipper, but the clipper actually comes with the pad also. So it's a great deal. So with this clipper here, has up to 4 hours of runtime. It has this DS1 dual speed motor, and I've been hearing that the body is amazing. Also with the blade that it has on there. So now when it comes to that charging, this is what I want to figure out right here. How does this cordless charging work? Now if you got an iPhone, you already know about that cordless charging. So let's go ahead and open this up. I'm gonna start with this pad right here, see how we go about operating this pad. Nice little QR code here. Got the finger grooves on the side, so you can go ahead and take this out. Look at that. I'm gonna take it out the sleeve. You gotta be gentle with it, baby. You gotta be gentle with it. And look at that, the pad, and it's, you would think it have some weight to it, but it's definitely light. Definitely light. Now, I'm trying to see if it has a, I don't see anything else in there. Where's the cord at, baby? Where's the cord? I don't see no cord. So maybe the cord is inside this box here. But this is what the pad looks like. Has this nice like, I feel like a matte finish on here. But definitely, I believe when you plug it in, everything should light up green. So I'm definitely gonna check this out. Alright, so here it is. And they got a nice little, look at this here. Look at this here. Come on now. No more opening it from the sides. And I wanna check this stuff right here. Look at all this right here. Man, it's almost like it shows you how exactly it was created, the design model and everything. That is definitely amazing. So it just gives you a little inside view on the minds of Chris Bossio, bro. Like, this man has changed the game. He is definitely a legend. So here is the clipper here. Man, it looks better out of the box than in the box. So it does give a nice little snug in there, so don't hesitate to put a little force in there. See, I done been in the box already. Just trying to get this clipper out of here. But got a little weight to it, yeah. So with this weight, you know it has some power right behind it. And I do like the clicking mechanism on here. And I just felt like it done went to a different notch. Like the teeth get even longer here. Like, and it is pretty close. I can definitely see that it's pretty close. Each notch catches it, and it do definitely feels like these teeth are definitely, you can go from a half to a 1 easily. And I see it has the Tune 45 on here and the power button. So let's go ahead and check this out and see how this sounds. Okay. Oh. Now when you press that tune 45, that's when it gives you that extra boost. Come on now, don't sleep on them now. Don't sleep on them now. Yo, I'm definitely gonna be excited to see how these cut. Definitely. Instead of just watching people cut with them, I'm definitely gonna put this to work tomorrow. I got a full book tomorrow. I'm putting these things to work. Let's go ahead and see what else is in this box. And let's tap in the box, see what they got in there. So you gotta open this thing like it's a Christmas present. Nice, slow. Okay, now this is what I'm talking about. So here is the cord. Here you got a little power brick. Now it comes with your tools to be able to zero gap, oil, brush. You have the blades right here. All the guards right here. From the half to the 1 to the 2 to the 1.5. 3 and the 4. Come on now. And you have the moving mechanism. And also, don't forget, you gotta read that manual. But yeah, that's everything that comes in the box. So let's go ahead and plug this in and see how this pad works. Alright, so we got the cord. Let's go ahead and check this bad boy out. Okay, so it's red. So I'm taking, by the clipper not being on the pad, it's gonna be red. So let's see what happens when we put this clipper on the pad. Okay, hold on. Nah, it's blinking. That's why I say, read your manual so you can definitely see why is it blinking. So it's probably blinking because we got it on the wrong way. There you go, boom. So you have to make sure it is evenly leveled here. So it can't just be here. It actually has to be right there. And then you start seeing everything charge up. If you made it this far, I want to say thank you for showing support and watching my video. I will be dropping more this year. Stay tuned.